birds, because that one got something in his throat. I keep picking up on something that somebody has something wrong with their throat. Thyroid. Oh, look at they walking. Are you okay? There's no bird. I came to get birdseed and they sold out at the damn hardware store. I'm so mad. Because I know my birdies are looking for food. But I want to get them a bird bath. I read the bag, it says you should give them fresh water with the food. But I don't know how. Where am I going to put a bird bath? What happened to your neck? It was just blown up. Are you the same one? Was that like a tactic to use to try to holler at that girl? That's what do you guys inflame your throats? Yeah, she's gone. He was literally chasing after this girl. He kept going after her. Are you okay? Are you pregnant? Are you looking funny?